This is Fractal versus Samurai X. Ninja, go! Tough bet. But I think Fractal had that one. Round 2 will begin soon. And the winner is Fractal!
Oh. Yeah, I never liked it.
Round 3 will begin.
I don't remember the whole story. Come here. But I remember that Super Shia LaBeouf. That was like the first movie he was in. The first movie he was in. I think so. And then he was
Where
like
is Fractal?
the role in Transformers.
For this one,